Students, now you will listen to the line-wise explanation of the fourth and last stanza of the poem. Unless governor, inspector, visitor, this map becomes their window, and these windows that shut upon their lives like catacombs break, oh break, open. You remember that in the previous stanza, the poet ended his stanza on a pessimistic, on a hopelessness that there is no hope for the slum children. But here in this stanza, he says that this situation of slum children can be improved if some governor, inspector, visitor comes and improves the lot of these slum children. Actually, the poet stresses upon the need of interference by some government or non government agency to improve the condition of these slum children. Actually, these are the officials or these are the agencies which are responsible for social equality. So he appeals to governor, inspector, visitor, some social, some government or non government agency to come forward and help these slum children. In this case, if the slum children are helped by these people, this map can become their window to the outside world. This map here refers to map that is displayed on the classroom walls. This map becomes their window to the outside world or can become their doorway to go in the outside world and progress. And these windows that shut upon their lives like catacombs break open. In that case, if this map will become their doorway or window to the outside world of progress, then these windows here refers to windows of classroom. Then these windows that shut upon their lives like catacombs. Catacombs are underground burial chambers in which dead are buried, and the poet compares the slum to catacombs, that these windows of slum has shut upon the lives of the slum children like catacombs. Like catacombs, there is no way out from this dirt of slum for them. But in the case these slum children are helped by some outside agency, then these windows that shut upon their lives like catacombs will break open. Till they break the town means till these children will be taken to the outside world and show the children to green fields. In this case, if these windows will break open and children will go in the outside world, then the children can be taken to green fields. Green fields here refers to nature, means the children will come in contact with nature and enjoy their life and make them run azure on gold sand and make them run azure. Azure here refers to blue sky above their heads. And if these children will come in contact with nature, there will be blue sky above their heads and gold sand under their feet. Gold again refers to prosperity and progress. The line means that if the children are taken to the outside world, they will come in contact with nature and will get endless opportunities to learn, to enjoy, to progress, or to do something in life. And let their tongues run naked into books, means let them enjoy the facility of education. Let there be no restriction on their education. Let their tongues run naked into books means there should be no restriction on the receival of education to the slum children. The white and green leaves open. In this case, if the education is available to the slum children, if they get the opportunities, in that case white as well as green leaves will be available to them. White leaves here refers to leaves also, do you know children, students, leaves also refer to the pages of the book or notebook. So in this case, if the children are taken to the outside world and given endless opportunities, the white leaves means education and green leaves means nature and opportunities will be available to them. Then in this case, history theirs, whose language is sun. Sun again here refers to hopefulness, progress, and something that is positive. And in this case, if the children are given educational and other opportunities, these children will also be the creators of history, and the history created by them will be full of hopefulness.